One of the biggest roadblocks that we faced whenever we talk to retailers and other customers as well is there's a lot of mystery and confusion around what AI is and where do you get started. And the first thing we do, so because of that, the first thing we've decided to do is not even talk about AI. What we have is called a Discover X process. It's a 5 to 6 week exercise where we just talk about your business challenges. And we like to look at your current data sets, what kind of data you have. We explore that data for you, do a technical feasibility, and then come back to you with what kind of AI solutions can actually be achieved with the constraints that you have as a business, and hopefully give you a roadmap of how to implement that to get ROI as quickly as possible. So that's our Discover X process, without which we don't really even begin engaging. One of the outcomes of the Discover X process is, let's say we figure out that you have a lot of unstructured data, especially when it comes to product data. What we found is the data is not generally of very good quality. We as a result take this to the next step, which is called Data X. The whole idea here is to get your data into a format that is ready for analytics and ready for AI algorithms. Without getting that data ready, any solutions that you are going to build are not going to be very useful. So a lot of time gets spent in getting this data ready. It's not just about normalizing the data, right? We are talking about structuring data. You may have data in the form of, let's say, images of products. You may have product descriptions. You may have purchase orders scanned. All of that is data, but that data is not usable by any AI system until you convert that into structured information. So you go through that process. Sometimes that alone can be very beneficial, right? That alone can be an output that we can give. So one of our largest customers in the US, all we are doing is giving them structured data. We are currently processing about 10 million API calls from them for them every day. Once the data has been put together and we are generally happy with the quality of the data, that's when we get into working with you and building these custom AI models, whether it's for price optimization, whether it's for assortment optimization, inventory optimization. We've heard a lot about demand forecasting. One of the biggest challenges the current demand forecasting tools have is nobody is able to predict demand for a new product launch, for example. How do you do demand forecasting for a new product launch using any of the tools that you currently are probably aware of? You probably can't do that. Yeah. Our process allows us to get you to the point where you can actually forecast demand for new products. I'm just giving you one example, right? So all of these solutions can now be built, customized, proprietary to your organization and not proprietary to the vendor that's working with you. Once those algorithms have been built, we then do a field or a low-scale deployment. Like Sean-san mentioned, we would launch it in 1 or 2 stores, show you how it works, show you a lift that hopefully gives you the ROI that you're looking for, tune the algorithm further on your data, and then scale it all over. Once you scale the solution after this whole process, we then maintain it for you and provide it to you on an ongoing basis. That solution hopefully will get you the ROI and the results from an AI system that you need. So what we like to, just to summarize what I just said, what we like to say is all you need to worry about is your business problem. We take you from a business problem to an API which integrates with your systems. What happens in between, you don't really need to worry much about. And hopefully this whole AI thing shouldn't really bother you. We are trying to give you a solution to a problem that you have.